Assalamu alaikum Junior 5. I hope you all are doing well. Today class we will start our August assignment and the first topic for this month is lesson number 11, life in different climatic regions. In this chapter we will study about the surviving lives in different regions. Today I will give you the brief introduction of this chapter. So class, listen to me carefully and let's start with the equatorial rainforest. These are the forests which are found in equatorial regions. And why these forests are called rainforest? Because these forests receive direct rainfall. So these forests are called rainforest. First of all, we will see the location. Equatorial rainforests are located within the latitudes 28 degrees north or south of the equator. Rainforests are found in Australia, Asia, Africa, South America, North America, and many of the Pacific Islands. Climate. The equatorial climate is very hot and wet. This region receives direct rays of the sun throughout the year. यानी ऐसी जगह जहाँ पे डायरेक्ट सनरेज पड़ती हैं, इस वजह से ये इलाके, ये जगह गर्म होती है, लेकिन ये साथ साथ वेट भी होती है क्योंकि यहाँ पे मुसलसल बारिश होती है. That's why they are called rainforest. Now we will see the plants and animals that are found in these areas. Hot and humid climate helps plants to grow faster. In these areas, large number of trees and plants are found because of the heavy rainfall. And also, besides these plants, the other animals are also found. Even many fascinating animals in tropical rainforest haven't been named or even identified yet. And the different kinds of animals which are found in these rainforests are crocodiles, snakes, dragons, birds, and so on. And do you know these rainforests are also called the lungs of the earth? Because different kinds of trees which are found in these regions, for example rubber trees, coconut trees, and other oil palm trees, these trees are the source of our oxygen. That's why these rainforests are also called lungs of this earth. Okay class, now we will see the human life in these areas. The equatorial forests are not well populated because of thick forests and uncomfortable climate, and the people, the natives who used to live in these regions, used to do hunting, fish catching, and shifting cultivation in order to survive in these regions. Now class, move forward and see the next region, that is desert regions. First of all, we will see the location of these areas. A desert is defined as a place that gets very less rainfall. Deserts are so dry that it can be difficult for plants, animals, and people to survive there. Deserts are found in every continent, and 1/6 of the Earth's population lives in desert regions. Class, these are the areas which receive very less rainfall. That's why the temperature is hot in these regions, and these areas are dry. There are some deserts which are found in the world are Sahara Desert, Kalahari Desert, Arabian Desert, Gobi Desert, Great Australian Desert, and Colorado Desert. These are the major deserts which are found in this world. Now see the climate of these regions. Climate in deserts is extremely hot and dry. Deserts receive very less rainfall. And in the deserts, temperature in the daytime can reach 45 degrees centigrade and drop to 0 degree centigrade or lower at night time during the winter. यानी दिन के टाइम जो इन डेजर्ट एरियाज हैं उनमें जो टेम्परेचर है वो बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. इवन सम टाइम्स जो सहारा डेजर्ट है वहाँ पे 50 डिग्री तक पहुँच जाता है टेम्परेचर, जिसकी वजह से सुबह के टाइम वहाँ पे बहुत गर्मी होती है लेकिन रात को मौसम ठंडा हो जाता है. And due to low rainfall and high water loss from evaporation, hot deserts lack water. Sometimes in these deserts, underground water comes to the surface. Such a place is called oasis. Now move forward and talk about the plants and animals which are found in these regions. Deserts are also home to wildflowers, grasses, shrubs, and small trees. In these regions, different kinds of plants and animals are also found, because these are those plants and animals which can survive in hot temperature and without water. For example, desert flowers and date palms. Different kinds of animals and insects are also live in the desert, and the most common example of the animal which can easily survive in these areas is called camel. Camel is an animal which can survive for weeks without water and food. They store the food in their humps. In this way, they manage to survive in these areas. And there are different other animals which can easily stay in these areas because they can survive without less water and in hot temperature. Human life. As we all know that the weather is hot in these areas, and due to lack of water and sandstorms, it is very difficult for the human beings to stay there. लेकिन कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं जिन्होंने एक जगह से दूसरी जगह सफ़र करना होता है, तो वो अपने सफ़र के दौरान इन जगहों पे रहते हैं. और वो कैसे रहते हैं? They used to live in the mud houses and tents, जिसके थ्रू वो लोग अपने आप को दिन के टाइम गर्मी से बचाते हैं, and during the night time they protect them from other different kinds of animals which are usually found in these areas. Okay class? Okay class, now see the next region, that is polar regions. Location. Polar regions are at the extreme south and north of the earth. These two ice-covered regions are known as the North Pole and South Pole. These are the two poles of our planet Earth. The area covered the North Pole is called the Arctic Circle, which is found in the parts of Canada, Denmark, Norway, US, Sweden, Finland, Iceland and Russia. And the Antarctica Circle is in the South Pole, and this region doesn't belong to any country, and almost there is no life in this circle. Okay class, now move forward and see the climate of these regions. Class, the weather of these regions is too cold because these regions are usually covered with thick layer of ice throughout the year, and in the polar regions the sun shines 24 hours in the summer and barely ever shines in the winter. Plants and animals. As I told you that the climate is too cold in both regions, the Arctic region and the Antarctica region. That's why it's very difficult for different kinds of plants and flowers to survive there. But still, some plants and shrubs are also found there. And if we talk about the different animals, different native animals are also found in Antarctica. For example, penguins, blue whales and seal. And same like that in Arctic regions, in Arctic pole, different animals are also found. For example, whales, fishes, seals and shrimps. These are those animals which can easily survive in the cold climate. Now see the human life. First of all, if we talk about the Antarctica pole, these are the areas where there are no native people. इस एरिया में साइंटिस्ट जाते हैं रिसर्चेस करने के लिए in order to find out different kinds of plants, animals and food found in those areas. बट स्टिल वहाँ पे कोई लोग नहीं रहते, और ज़्यादातर जो लोग पाए जाते हैं वो कौन होते हैं? जो कि वहाँ पे सिर्फ घूमने के लिए जाते हैं. एंड इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट द आर्कटिक सर्कल, in this area different kinds of people have been living for thousands of years. These people hunt, trap and fish to survive. Native people wait beside the breathing holes of seals in the ice to catch them. They use animals in order to survive there because they use them for their food, for their clothes and for their houses. In this way they can survive in such cold climate. Okay class, so these were the regions in this chapter. I hope class you all get it. So what you need to do is to do the reading of this chapter from the book. We will see the exercise of this topic in our next lecture. Okay class, so thank you for listening me. Allah Hafiz, take care.